They make these things so that children can't get into them, but the problem is when a man-child when a man-child can't even get into these things, then you got a real problem there. If a man-child can't even open this, that's where you got real problems. Because how is the man-child going to help the child get to run? I've never had such a bad experience with a kit in 40 years of messing with this stuff. Anyway, I'll come back when I get this done, because goodness gracious, this is hard. There we go. It takes 2 AA batteries. That's a good thing. It's a bunch of
Likey